My point of order is Order 72, Mr. President.
Let me just guide you.
Order, please. My mic is not working. Order.
All the extra. I'm still standing on my point of order.
Order, please. Order, please.
DSP. All the extra he added was unnecessary. Should I just left it here? But we're on committee of the whole now. What are we?
This thing is not working.
Yeah.
Senator Abaribe.
What do you want me to do?
Okay.
If we're going to committee of the whole, then let's leave it. Because we have to discuss it.
Page 1483. Page 1484. Page 1485. Page 1486.
Can you take your seat, please? Take your seat.
Order.
Take your seat.
1487.
Professor Ani, take your seat. Senator Yunus, take your seat.
1489.
Senator Karimi, take your seat.
Page 1490.
Take your seat. Take your seat.
Mr. President.
Page 1491.
Point of order, Mr. President.
Page 1492. Page 1493.
Point of order, Mr. President. Point of
Page
order.
1494.
Point of order, Mr. President. Point of order.
Page 1495.
Point of order, Mr. President. Point of order.
On what? On which page? Oh, sorry. Distinguished colleagues. Senator Kawu.
Mr. President.
Senator Yaya.
My name is Nigerianpolitics.
Sorry.
Order, please. Order.
My order is Order 72, Mr. President.
What does it say? Read. No.
Any senator may challenge the opinion of the president or the chairman by claiming a division. Mr. President, I claim a division.
In respect of.
We need to vote individually now.
That motion.
That motion.
SP, put it to vote. Put it to vote. Put it to vote.
Okay.
Constitutional order. Point of order.
SP, let us vote. Let us vote. Let us vote. Let us vote now.
Constitutional order.
Senator Ome.
Let us vote.
Senator Ome.
Point of order.
please. Point of order.
Why is it that all of a sudden this understand?
Point of order. Point of order.
Yes, sir. Babu.
Point of order. Constitutional order. Order, please. Order, please. Order, please. Point of order. Point of order. I want to say my mind clean.
Distinguished colleagues,
Point of order.
to ensure clarity, I want to put the votes.
Point of order, Mr.
To ensure
President.
clarity, I'm coming. Distinguished colleagues, in line with our rules.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Distinguished, please 1 minute. Senator Abaribe, 1 minute.
Thank you, Mr.
1 minute,
President.
Senator Abaribe, don't rush. In line with our rules, Senator Abaribe has proposed that we should go ahead and vote. So those SARS. Abbas, Osho, Baba. Now, gentlemen, this is the beauty of democracy. Therefore, Senator Abaribe has proposed that we should go ahead and vote. And for me, I think we should do so that everybody can answer his father's name. Abaribe, are you still insisting we vote?
Thank you, Mr. President. Order. I wish to withdraw my motion.
Any seconder?
Point of order.
Okay. In the absence of any seconder, we'll go ahead and vote.
Order, please.
Okay, Senator Abaribe. Unfortunately for you, the distinguished colleagues are saying there is no seconder, that you can withdraw.
It is not possible for them to say no. Mr. President, a point of order does not require a seconder. It doesn't require a seconder.
Okay. We have not finished. We have a point of order. We have not finished. We have a point of order. We have not finished. We have not finished with the point of order. Okay, distinguished colleagues, Senator Abaribe has indicated that he has withdrawn his point of order calling for votes for division. So, Senator Lero, I think we should indulge him. I want to plead with all of you. Okay. Senator Ningi, well guided. So the slip that we should go ahead and do division, which he has withdrawn now, is hereby upheld. Page 1495. Point of order, Senator Goje. Yes.
Mr. President, order 42. Can I read? Or go ahead?
Go ahead and read.
By the indulgence of the Senate and the leave of the President of the Senate, a senator may make a personal explanation, although there will be no question before the Senate. But no controversial matter may be brought forward, nor may debate arise upon the explanation. The terms of the proposed statement shall be submitted in detail to the President of the Senate when his leave to make it is sought.
Senator Goje, because you have not submitted the your proposed statement that you want to make in line with what you read. You said the terms of the proposed submission shall be made available to the President of the Senate. I don't have the terms. Can we take it after we finish with our voice, please? Your point of order is noted. Page 1495, page 1496, page 1497, page 1498, page 1499, page 1500, page 1501, page 1503, 1503, 1504, 1505, 1506, 1507, 1508, 1509, 1510, 1511, 1512, 1513, 1514, 1515, 1516, 1517, 1518, 1519, 1520, 1521, 1522, 1523, 1524, 1525, 1526, 1527, 1528, 1529, 1530, 1531, 1532, 1533, 1534, 1535, 1536, 1537, 1538, 1539, 1540, 1541, 1542, 1543, 1544, 1545, 1546, 1547, 1548, 1549, 1550, 1551, 1552, 1553, 1554, 1555, 1556, 1557. Come, Senator Nengi. Senator Nengi, this one you are shaking hands. Are you moving over? Okay. Okay, so you report data. Noted. 1557, 1558, 1559, 1560, 1561, 1562, 1563, 1564, 1565, 1566, 1567, 1568, 1569, and 1570, 1571, 1572, 1573, 1574, and 1575. Dismiss Senator Plan.
The President of the Senate, our leader, my dear colleagues, I am Senator Dicket Plan. I represent Plateau Central. I rise to move a motion that the votes and proceedings of Wednesday, 4th February 2026 be adopted
as amended.
Be adopted as our property. I so move.
Distinguished Senator Dixon.
Mr. President and my dear colleagues,
Mr. President and my dear colleagues, Henry Siraki Dixon, Bayelsa West, I rise to second that the votes and proceedings be adopted subject to amendments. I so second.
Order. Distinguished colleagues, those in support of the motion and move and seconded that the votes and proceedings of Wednesday, the 4th day of Senator Wadada, please let us just put the question, then you can now move around. Those in support that the votes and proceedings of Wednesday, 4th day of February 2026 as amended be approved and adopted. Say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Senator Lalong, please approach the chair. Distinguished colleagues.
Order, please.
Arising from page 1575 of the votes and proceedings as amended and adopted, you will see the list of conference committees. The senators as conferees on the Electoral Bill Amendment 2026. The information we have is that our counterpart in the House of Representatives are 12 in number, while we have 9 here. So we just have to move our number to 12 so that we can have 12.